Sanibonani, igama lami nguPhumelele Mavundla. Namhlanje ngizonibulela kahle kahle i-Apps Beuty. Apps Beuty is a luxury brand that I'm in partnership with my best friend. Well, ngingane semafarm, ngiyabona nje sometimes isingisi ngibuye ngisi abosibonga abazali, but sila eMandawe. Kodwa ekhaya ile ezingolweni the South Coast. Qhubeka ushonele nje towards Coxstad. Primary ngangiseThekwini, Dune Heights Primary School. High school bengise Potchefstroom High School. Then after high school I went to aviation college, basically Sky Aviation. Ngisafunda amabhanoyi nani, but my love has always been business, and that's been self-taught. This brand does beauty kahle kahle. Sifuna ninuke kahle, qabuka nje nisingisageza nje caca ukuthi what's going on. So currently our product offering sinama body scrubs, sinama shower gels. We are venturing into lotions as well and oils, so look out for that. But yeah, a product here too is for all sorts of skin. We have tested with abantu abahlushwe eczema, abakazi bakhale ngayo, abantu kahle kahle abafuna i-products ezolast emzimbeni ibaphathe kahle nasesikhumbeni. Yithi esingisiza ngalokho. So the founder of this business, her name is Apil, right? And Apsi, I think we always just umuntu oglam ngasho kanjalo uyathanda izinto ezihlangana nesikhumba. So it's like, let's bring it back home because it's Apps Beuty. Nakhona futhi I'm into digital marketing, so apps digital. See what I did there? So kahle sayihlanganisa lento le sathi Apps Beuty. The Apps Beuty iyaqala ingane encane kahle kahle isatotoba. Siqale, I think it's about a year old. Into yadala ukuthi siqale kahle kahle sabantu abathandayo vele izinto ezihlangana nesikhumba nokuyiphatha kahle nokunuka kahle into kanjalo. So i-apps sathi why not provide lezi zinto esizithandayo to abantu abayifunayo at an affordable price, because vele sayithanda izinto that are luxury. Ukuthi luxury has a very high budget scope. So it's like, okay, how do we then create a product that gives off luxury but is affordable for people like us who are young entrepreneurs, students, who want to tap into luxury without breaking their pockets. With luxury, you think ukuthi your budget scope fanele, but we played with luxury the feeling. So we want you to feel luxury without spending an arm and a leg. So our market ranges for young entrepreneurs, even students, because actually if you look at our sizing, you buy one product, won't break your bank, but it will last you a long time because you don't need to use a lot of products, and the size of it allows it to last for a lot longer than most products. So we worked around the economics around it for our customers, and also just to be affordable but also make you feel like you've got the money. Okay, so we lean towards our fragrance, our fruity. Fruity because it's vast for most people without limiting to gender, right? So the strawberry is a fan favorite, kahle kahle. It's the pink one that you'll find. It's the strawberry, I think it's strawberry bliss. And then we have the green one, which is coconut breeze. The coconut breeze inayo is for mostly males like the coconut breeze because the males want into memezi kakhulu ukuthi okay, this is very fruity. Also, they want to layer it with cologne. So it's one of the products that you can, it's more bland, so you can layer it with perfume. And then we have the tropical papaya, which is my favorite. And nakhona futhi, that's the orange one. It's more summer breeze, it's fresh, and I think it's amazing. Actually, you should try it. We also have our guest amenities, part of our range. We offer lotion and shower gel for hotels, Airbnbs, lodges. Contact us for all your guest amenity needs. All right, frequently asked questions. We are asked, can I buy a product kanji? Not necessarily. We sell in geos, so you'll get the product as a scrub and the shower gel. Trust me, you're not going to use the scrub every single day, but this zonke insuku, I promise you. The other question that we also get is, do we deliver door to door? We do. We have courier partners that we use. So if you want to send it to a special person, you give us your address and you take it right to that person's door. We have a whole gifting experience for you. So we would love to hear from you guys if you should have any other question. So if ufuna ukuthenga la ekhaya, we are available on social media. We have our price packages up on social media. It's at Apps Beuty on all our social media, which is Instagram, Facebook, and then on WhatsApp. TikTok, sorry, and WhatsApp. We have our number that you're going to find on our Instagram. So I would suggest, as a customer, go onto Instagram, check it out. We'll see all of our product offerings corner. We'll see which fragrance will work best for you, and it will redirect you to a number that you can send a message to, and we'll obviously deliver the package to your doorstep. I use this product, but I love this product personally because I think, one, I love how the fragrance lasts for me. I love how gentle it is on my skin, and I think it has potential to literally kick a lot of competitors out the shelves. So we're excited for that.